ngihluleke ukuhlonipha umshado wami ngize ngiyorecruit ngaphandle ukuzongahlonipha umshado wami kusese responsibility yakhe naye not from me, from God. That's why ngithe we must serve God. So kuyi responsibility yakhe naye ukuhlonipha umshado wami, not because of my wife, because of God. Yenye level siyafika nale ukuthi hawu kodwa sengingathiwani nomyeni kabani, kodwa ayiqala emntwini, iqala kuNkulunkulu ultimately, ngoba umuntu angakunika ama reason amahle namabi angagcina kwenza ukuthi umbeke eceleni wenze into, kodwa uNkulunkulu is always there. Kusho ukuthi noma ke nawe osemshadweni, ngoba once isobalekela i-adultery because of our spouses, I think that decision i-weak, i-foundation yayo iyantengantenga, ngoba uma ngabe ngizosaba ukuz-engage ku-adultery because unkosikazi wami ungitreata kahle, or because unkosikazi wami this, unkosikazi wami that, which is mhla engangitreatanga kahle vele sengibhabhalele phansi, which is whatever reason engingayibeka except for if kuukuthi ngiyamthanda according to umyalo wenkosi ukuthi mthande njengalokhu usithanda wena. Yabona sekungenye isisuke nakuye leyo, it is according to umyalo. In fact, I'm submitting to God by doing that. So izwi lenkosi lithi nje umshado mawuhlonishwe abantu bonke, abashadile, abangashadanga, abakholwayo nabangakholwa. Asikwazi ukubabopha abangakholwa ngoba yikho into esivumelene nabo ngayo, kodwa kulabo abakholwayo abasemshadweni abangekho emshadweni, izwi lenkosi lithi nje mawuhlonishwe ngabantu bonke. Kahle kahle wonke umuntu okholwayo une responsibility yokuhlonipha umshado. Singaze siphumela kuphingeni, you know ukuthi even eminye imishado nje ngale ke kokuphinga ikilinyazwe nabazali ngoba baba view yabo, kodwa ke leli izwi nje masingalibuka kahle sinabe lize litshela nefamily yethu ukuthi mayihloniphe imishado yethu, litshela ihlobo zethu ukuthi when it comes to into yokuhlonishwa umshado, litshela odade wethu, osikwiza, o-aunt, omalume, bonke labantu okunekenzeka ba-contribute nge-chaos emshadweni. Kodwa izwi lenkosi sithi makufika emshadweni back off and honorishe umshado ngoba yinto kaNkulunkulu.
Mhlambe kunento la angithi nithe ukuhamba kwethu sibuka uNkulunkulu